Hi guys, Steph here. Okie dokie, what we got for you today? Take a look at that gorgeous pen. Hehe, what a beauty. What we've got for you today is a Mentmore Auto Flow fountain pen. Now, for you regular viewers, you will know that I've actually shown you this particular pen before, and I've actually shown them you in numerous different colours, but I don't think I've actually shown you or have had a green one. So what I'll do later on, I'll leave you a link to the top there. You can go and have a look at the blue one. But what we've got, as I say, is a Mentmore Auto Flow fountain pen made in England, made in Hackney in London, England. And Mentmore made pens from sort of round about 1920s through to around about the 1950s. This pen I'm dating to around about the 1930s. The size of it from the top of the cap to the bottom of the barrel, around about 122 millimeters capped. Around the barrel, it's a nice 12 millimeters in diameter. And the Mentmore pens, not only did they make some absolutely gorgeous pens in different colours, different trim, different patterns, etc., some of which, as I said, I've actually shown you, so go and have a look if you're interested. They also made them in, as you can see here, this is a lever one. They made them in button fill fountain pens. They made lots and lots of lovely pens. They also, I believe, made them for other manufacturers and for stationers, etc. Okay, so as I say, this one is in this lovely green and black marbles. As I've just said, it's got this lovely lever here, and let's just show it to you because it is quite interesting. You can see it has these sort of two facets on either side, and to the end there you can see it's got the letter M for Mentmore. If we turn it round slightly, there you go, there's the barrel imprint and it reads Mentmore. And then if we take you underneath, made in England, and then to the bottom, Pat applied or app 4. So it's got a lovely clear imprint, as you can see. Absolutely gorgeous pens. Mentmore, again, one of these manufacturers that, in my opinion, a little bit overlooked, but they're becoming very, very collectible now. There's more people sort of looking into them. Now let's take you to the cap there. You can see it's got quite a thin cap band to the bottom of the cap, and there you go, you've got this Mentmore clip to the top there, this ball clip, and then again to the very top you've got the letter M for Mentmore. There's a sideways view. To the very top there we've got this slightly domed sort of finial to the top of the cap there, but all in all in gorgeous condition. This one came to me in a recent pen haul. Some of you will actually have seen it. It was rather tired. I had to get a replacement clip, which I've managed to do. I've restored it, cleaned everything, put a new sack in it, and as you can see now, it's absolutely gorgeous. Let's undo the cap. Let's give you some of the sort of customary twirls of the pen, showing you a number of different angles. Absolutely gorgeous pen, and as I say, Mentmore, very much underrated pens. Let's take you to the section. You can see it's got a slightly concave section, flares out towards the nib. And then let's show you the nib. Let's keep it nice and still. You can see the nib reads Mentmore Osmi Iridium 14 karat gold. Okay, so it's got the original Mentmore nib. There's a sideways view. Let's take a look underneath. Have a look at the feed there. You can see the feed is a classic, what we term as a ladder feed for this specific pen, and of the period of around 1930s. It's a nice size pen, quite a chunky pen, very comfortable to hold with this section, very nice indeed, very nice to write with. Pardon? Ah, you want to see it writing. Okie dokie, let's bring on some ink. Let's get the lever, pop the nib in the ink. Okay, lots of bubbling going on. Let's give it a wipe. Pop the ink to one side. And let's bring on our little pad. As always, it's the first time the pen is being tested, so you're seeing what I'm seeing for the first time. Let's see how it writes. So, we've got a Mentmore, Auto Flow fountain pen. Made in England, and as we said, circa 1930s. As we said, they made them in button fillers as well in this particular model. It's actually writing very nicely indeed. Does it have any flex? I wouldn't expect it to. No, I would say not. It's writing, I don't know, what should we say? I would say sort of a fine to medium line. As I said, a very nice pen. There's a writing sample, writing absolutely lovely, lovely and smooth, lovely ink flow, and I would say, yeah, writing maybe on the fine side of medium, or I can't maybe, no, I would say maybe on the medium side of fine, but lovely, lovely writer. So what we'll do, we'll empty the pen, flush it out, and what we'll do, let's find a new home for the pen, somebody who will enjoy this for many years to come. A gorgeous fountain pen from Mentmore Pens. Just the last little bit of sort of information that may be of interest. Mentmore were actually part of the Platinum fountain pen family. I believe Mentmore were the, if you like, the umbrella group, or the owners of the Platinum fountain pens. But this one, as I say, gorgeous Mentmore Auto Flow in gorgeous condition. I hope you've enjoyed looking at the pen as much as I enjoy showing them to you people. Don't forget, leave a comment below, don't be shy. Have you subscribed? If not, why not subscribe now? If you possibly can, down below there, please support my work. Last but not least, we've still got a problem out there, ladies and gentlemen, wherever you are around the world. Please stay safe. But for now, I'll just say bye bye for now.